Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm going to show you how to remove a password from a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. First, find and open the Systweak PDF Editor on your computer. Once the application is open, click on the File option in the upper left corner of the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Open and locate the password-protected PDF file that you want to unlock. Then type the password and click OK. Once the PDF is open, click on the Secure option in the upper toolbar. In the options that appear, select Unprotect. You will need to enter the current password again to confirm the action. Once confirmed, the software will remove the password protection from your PDF. Then, click on Save to save the changes. And that's it! You successfully removed the password from your PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.